Our planet is a marvel, a blue oasis in the vast cosmic desert. But what if Earth had rings like Saturn? Imagine a sky adorned with a celestial halo. How would this cosmic accessory change our world? Nights would be brighter, with the rings reflecting sunlight, casting an ethereal glow. Days would be no less spectacular, with shadows cast by the rings creating intricate patterns. The rings would shape our myths, stories, and understanding of the universe. From ancient civilizations to modern astronomers, humanity has always looked up at the stars with wonder. A celestial ballet playing out above our heads, inspiring awe and igniting curiosity. Let's delve into this intriguing thought experiment and explore the wonders and changes it might bring. Imagine standing at the equator gazing up at a sky dominated by a colossal, luminous band. Travel north or south and the ring's appearance would shift dramatically. From the mid-latitudes, the rings would appear tilted, forming an arc across the sky. The Earth's rotation and changing angles of sunlight would create a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. Observers would witness the rings shift from a dazzling sunlit spectacle to a faint ethereal glow. Picture a full moon rising, partially obscured by the rings, creating a celestial eclipse. The interplay of light and shadow would be a sight to behold. The presence of rings wouldn't just be a visual treat, it would have tangible effects on our planet. The rings would reflect some sunlight away from Earth, leading to a slight cooling effect. This could alter weather patterns, making some regions cooler and others warmer. The ring's gravitational pull would influence our tides, potentially creating weaker tides or additional tidal bulges. These changes would impact marine life and coastal ecosystems. The rings could act as a shield, protecting us from some meteoroids and space debris. However, smaller particles from the rings could rain down on Earth, creating a dazzling meteor shower. While we can make educated guesses, the exact consequences remain a mystery. Imagine a world where the rings are a constant presence in our lives. How would this celestial spectacle influence our cultures, beliefs, and daily routines? The rings would become ingrained in our mythology and folklore. Ancient civilizations might weave tales of celestial deities residing within the rings. The rings' predictable movements could serve as a natural calendar or compass. Imagine planning your day around the ring's position, much like we do with sunrise and sunset. Buildings and cities might be designed to complement the ring's presence, creating breathtaking skylines. Imagine looking up at a skyscraper that seems to pierce the ring itself. While Earth currently lacks rings, there are a few ways our planet could have acquired them. One possibility is a large impact event, similar to the one believed to have formed our moon. If a Mars-sized object collided with Earth, the debris could have been ejected into orbit, forming rings. Another possibility is the capture of a celestial object, like a comet or asteroid, by Earth's gravity. If the object ventured too close, tidal forces could rip it apart, scattering its remnants into a ring system. Over time, these remnants would spread out, forming the majestic rings we envision. A third possibility is that Earth once had rings that dissipated over time. These theories highlight the dynamic nature of our solar system. When we think of rings, Saturn immediately springs to mind. But how would Earth's hypothetical rings compare to those of the ringed giant? Earth's rings would likely be much fainter and less extensive than Saturn's. This is because Earth is smaller and has weaker gravity, making it more difficult to hold onto a large ring system. While Saturn's rings are composed mostly of ice, Earth's rings would likely be made of rock and dust. Earth's rings would be closer to the planet, appearing more prominent in our sky. Earth's rings might be more irregular with gaps, clumps, and even shepherd moons. Despite these differences, Earth's rings would still be a breathtaking sight, a testament to the beauty and wonder of our universe.